The natural world hums with a symphony of sounds. Birdsong fills the air, insects chirp and buzz, and primates call to each other. From the dances of bees to the calls of elephants, the animal kingdom is a tapestry of communication. Humans have long been fascinated by the secret languages of animals. Unlocking these secrets offers insights into behavior and evolution, deepening our appreciation of nature. To understand the evolution of animal communication, we must look back millions of years. Fossil records and genetic studies provide clues to the ancient origins of animal communication systems. Chemical signaling, for instance, is believed to be one of the earliest forms of communication, dating back to single-celled organisms. These organisms released chemicals into their environment to attract mates, signal danger, or coordinate group behaviors. As life evolved, so too did communication methods. The development of specialized sensory organs such as eyes and ears allowed for more complex visual and auditory signals. By studying the communication methods of ancient animal lineages, such as insects, reptiles, and fish, researchers can piece together the evolutionary history of animal communication. These studies reveal how environmental pressures, social structures, and sensory adaptations have shaped the diverse ways animals interact with each other and their surroundings. One of the most fascinating examples of animal communication can be observed in the intricate dances of honeybees. These remarkable creatures have developed a complex system of communication that relies on a combination of movements, vibrations, and sense. When a foraging bee discovers a new food source, it returns to the hive and performs a series of movements known as the waggle dance. The bee performs a figure-8 pattern on the honeycomb, vibrating its body and waggling its abdomen. The direction and duration of the waggle indicate the direction and distance to the food source relative to the sun. Furthermore, the foraging bee shares information about the quality and quantity of the food source through the vigor of its dance and the sense it carries on its body. This complex system of communication allows bees to efficiently exploit resources in their environment and maintain the health and productivity of the hive. The study of bee communication has provided invaluable insights into the cognitive abilities of insects. While we often think of communication as involving sound or visual cues, the animal kingdom is replete with examples of chemical communication. Pheromones, chemical signals released by animals, play a crucial role in mate attraction, territorial defense, and social recognition. These chemical messages can be incredibly potent and specific, conveying complex information over long distances. Moths, for instance, utilize pheromones to attract mates. Female moths release species-specific pheromones into the air, which can be detected by male moths from miles away. Similarly, ants use pheromone trails to guide their nestmates to food sources. Many mammals, including wolves, deer, and even elephants, use pheromones to mark their territory, signal their reproductive status, and communicate with other individuals. These chemical signals often convey information that would be difficult or impossible to convey through other means. By understanding how animals use chemical signals to communicate, researchers can develop new methods for pest control, wildlife conservation, and even human healthcare. Imagine a world of sounds so low that they are inaudible to the human ear. This is the world of infrasound, a realm of communication utilized by a variety of animals, including elephants, whales, and giraffes. Elephants, in particular, are renowned for their ability to communicate over long distances using infrasound calls. These low-frequency sounds, often described as rumbles, can travel for miles through the ground and air, allowing elephants to stay in contact with each other even when separated by dense vegetation or vast distances. They use these calls to maintain contact with family members, signal danger, attract mates, and coordinate group movements. For example, a mother elephant can use infrasound calls to keep track of her calf, even when it is out of sight. By eavesdropping on their conversations, researchers have gained insights into their family structures, social hierarchies, and even their emotional states. The discovery of infrasound communication highlights the limitations of our own senses and the vast array of communication methods that exist beyond our perception. While sound and scent play crucial roles in animal communication, visual signals are equally important. From the vibrant colors of a bird's plumage to the elaborate courtship displays of fish, visual communication is ubiquitous in the animal kingdom. Consider the chameleon, a master of camouflage and visual signaling. These remarkable reptiles can change the color of their skin to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. However, they also use color changes to communicate with each other. Males, for instance, display bright colors to attract females and ward off rivals. Many animals use body language, facial expressions, and ritualized displays to communicate. These visual signals are often accompanied by vocalizations, scents, or other forms of communication, creating a complex tapestry of signals that convey information about an animal's emotional state, intentions, and social status. In the murky depths of rivers and oceans where light is scarce, some animals have evolved a remarkable form of communication: electroreception. Certain species of fish, such as electric eels, elephantfish, and some sharks, can generate and detect weak electrical fields. These electrical signals, often too weak for humans to detect, serve as a sixth sense, allowing these creatures to navigate, find food, and communicate with each other in complete darkness. Electric fish generate electrical fields using specialized organs located in their tails. By modulating the frequency and intensity of their electrical discharges, these fish can communicate a range of information, including their species, sex, size, and even their mood. The discovery of electroreception revolutionized our understanding of animal senses and communication, revealing a hidden world of electrical signals that permeate aquatic environments. The vast expanse of the ocean is far from silent. Beneath the waves, a symphony of sound unfolds as whales, dolphins, and other marine creatures communicate using a complex repertoire of clicks, whistles, and songs. Whales in particular are renowned for their haunting songs, which can travel for hundreds of miles through the ocean depths. Humpback whales, for instance, produce long, complex songs that can last for over 20 minutes. These songs, which vary between populations and over time, are thought to play a role in mate attraction, navigation, and social bonding. Dolphins rely on a different form of acoustic communication, echolocation. By emitting a series of high-pitched clicks and listening to the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment, dolphins can create a sonic map of their surroundings. The study of marine mammal communication has provided invaluable insights into the cognitive abilities and social complexities of these creatures. While human language is often considered the pinnacle of communication, animal communication systems are equally complex and sophisticated. By drawing parallels between human and animal communication, we can appreciate the diversity and ingenuity of communication systems. Many animals use vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions. For example, dogs use barks, growls, and tail wags to communicate. Similarly, chimpanzees use facial expressions and gestures. Studying animal communication provides insights into language evolution. We can appreciate the diversity of communication systems on Earth. As technology advances, so too do our methods for studying animal communication. Researchers are now using cutting-edge tools, such as bioacoustics recorders, thermal imaging cameras, and artificial intelligence, to eavesdrop on animal conversations, analyze complex communication signals, and decode the hidden meanings behind animal behaviors. These technological advancements are leading to a renaissance in animal communication research. Scientists are now able to track animal movements, monitor their social interactions, and decode their communication signals in unprecedented detail. This wealth of data is providing new insights into the cognitive abilities, social structures, and evolutionary history of animals. The future of animal communication research is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries that will further illuminate the fascinating world of animal communication. The study of animal communication is not merely an academic pursuit, it is a vital endeavor that has profound implications for our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. By unlocking the secrets of animal communication, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intelligence, complexity, and interconnectedness of all living things. However, as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of animal communication, we must also recognize the importance of conservation. Habitat loss, climate change, and human disturbance are threatening the survival of countless species, silencing their voices and disrupting their communication networks. Let us listen, learn, and work together to protect the remarkable diversity of life on Earth and the languages that connect us all.